That's 71 brats. About to go into the sous vide, AKA my spike solo. So this is gonna be awesome. $71 brats and the spike solo 20 gallon there. Well, here I am on my spike solo doing some sous vide brats. 71 of them actually. All weighted down by this lid to keep them submerged. But you know, it's not the first time I've done sous vide on my brew systems. But this is definitely the first time I've done 71 brats in one. So going to have an awesome Oktoberfest party today. All right.